Alright, for this next video I'm over here on PayPal.com because in this video this is where we're going to grab our payment button and set it up correctly for our particular product. So what you're going to do is go over to PayPal.com. That's PayPal.com. So PayPal.com, if you do not have an account with them yet, just click on just click on sign up under business, and you can just go through their process. They have an easy sign up process. Just choose sign up. But if you already have a PayPal account, just log right into your account here. So it's going to take me just a moment here to log in. And so I'm logging into PayPal, and what you're going to be looking for is you want to look for Merchant Services. Merchant Services is going to be one of the top tabs that you want to be looking for. So it'll take just a moment here, and you want to click on Merchant Services. Okay, so now that I have selected Merchant Services, what I'm going to do here now is click on Buy Now button. So I want to click on the Buy Now button, and that will take a moment to load. So it's Merchant Services Buy Now button, and that's what you're going to click on because you are creating a Buy Now button. Alright, so what you want to do here where it says accept payments for products, that's what you want to do, and you want to choose item name. So you want to call this particular item, you would want to call it whatever it is you want to call this item. You could call it 30 step by step video series. That's probably a good name for it. So let's just call that 30 step by step video series. Item ID you can keep blank for now. Price is going to be, whatever you want to price it at. I recommend $37. That's a good price for this many videos. I'd go 27 to 37. There's people that sell this for $97 a piece. So I mean, really the price is up to you. If you think of it, if you sell it at 97, you only need to sell, if you sell it for 30 to 27 and then somebody else sells it for 97, they need to sell a third less to make the same amount of money, so it's up to you how you want to price it. But 37 is going to give you a good return, and that's a good price point for this product. So go ahead and price that at $37. And what you're going to do here next then is drop right on down here to where it says customize advanced features. So customize advanced features. Right here it says, do you want to let your customers change order quantities? Just choose no. And can your customer add special instructions in a message to you? Go ahead and you would select no for that. And do you need your customer's shipping address? That's going to depend if you're shipping this as a physical DVD, but I would typically select no. Now right here where it says take customer to a specific URL after successful checkout, you want to check that box. You want to check that box, and you want to send them, as soon as they make their payment, you want to send them straight over to the download page. Now that download folder, that download page, is going to be located on your hard drive. Now if you upload this how I recommend you to, this is how yours should be set up. It should be set up as http:// your domain name, which in this case I'm using the domain makemoneyonlinefastnow.com / and you want to come right on over here to where it says, where the file is. So this is going to be in the OTO folder, and you want to call this Download Special Series 789. Download Special Series, and you can just double click on that. That's how it looks like. Thank you for your order. Okay, thank you for your order right in there. Okay, so that's your download page, and so you want to just come right in here. You want to highlight that, hit rename, and then hit Control C. Highlight that, hit rename, then hit Control C. Okay, now what you're going to want to do here then is send them right on over and paste that in there, and then choose .htm at the end of that. So .htm. So download Special Series 789, and that will take them right on in to the specific download page for your particular product. Now that's one way to get them to the download page. The other option for you is to set up a separate list, and that's actually the recommended option. and that would be taking them to a page that says, congratulations, thank you for your purchase. To claim your special video series, follow the simple steps below. And this would be where you send them to a specific page where they put in their name and email, and then they tell you where to send your product. That way you can easily send them an email with the product quite easily, plus get them on a list. And that's probably going to be your best situation there. That would be what I would recommend for you. So that's what I would choose if I were you, is I would choose that option. So you could send them either straight to the download page or to this page called Thank You Purchase 456. Thank you purchase let's see here. Thank you purchase 456. Highlight that, and we can just paste that right on in here. So those are two options for you to consider. And at the end of it, just add .htm, and so that will be all set. Now when you're done, choose Create Button. Create Button. Okay, that'll take just a moment for it to create that button for you. Now once it's created the button, here's what the Buy Now button is going to look like. It's going to look like that, or the other option is to select Email right here, and there's the email link for you to choose. So there's two options. You can either select the email option and then copy and paste that and attach it to any button that you want to, or you could choose Website and just copy and paste that code on in there. I recommend you go with this option because it gives you a little more flexibility. That's what I usually do. So you're going to just highlight that link, and now you want to go over to Composer, and you want to open up your Composer here. So let's just hit Run on that and scroll up here to the top, and what you want to do is you want to select Open, and you want to go to the folder called OTO Sales Page. OTO Sales Page is where your sales page is going to be, your one-time offer, for example. And you want to choose this, sales page right here, the sales page link. And you want to come all the way down here to where we have it written Order Now. You want to highlight that, Order Now, and hit this link button, and go ahead and paste in that PayPal code right there. So paste in that PayPal code and choose OK. And then you can do the same thing for the other Order Now button. So let's just drag down so you can see that. So there's the other Order Now button. So I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to come up here, click on the link button, and we're going to paste in the PayPal. Hit Control V to do a paste. Okay, so now that that is in there, I'm going to come right over here and hit Save, and those are functioning. Now if you wanted to make that like an Add to Cart button, you could do that by selecting Image, choosing your Add to Cart button, inserting it here, and then linking that Add to Cart button to PayPal. So that would be completely up to you. So that is what I would recommend you do to quickly and efficiently get this set up on your sales page. So that's as far as we go as far as getting your PayPal button set up. And the way it's set up is that after they buy, they're either going to go straight to your download page, or they're going to go to the intermediate page that we have available for you. You can choose whichever direction you want to go. The best option is going to be to go the Thank You Purchase, and we'll cover that in the next video as far as how to set that up. But that's how you grab your PayPal button so you can set this up.